And the management of the Cornwall Regional Hospital in St. James has confirmed that the COVID-19 ward is full as cases of the respiratory illness continues to pour in. Clinical coordinator Delroy Frey is fearful that if the case count continues to rise, requiring hospitalization, there will be a drastic increase in fatalities. Anthony Lugg reports.
The spike in COVID-19 cases over the last few days is worrying. The country's case count now stands at 20,016. Hospitalization has increased, including at the Cornwall Regional Hospital in St. James, where it's understood the COVID ward is full. Delroy Frey is the clinical coordinator at the facility.
And as I speak today, we're at full capacity. In fact, we have 33 patients who are positive currently in hospital that needs hospitalization. And there are 7 suspected cases that we are awaiting result for. So that makes it a total of 40 patients that we are caring for at this point in time.
Despite the growing numbers in hospitals, some Jamaicans continue to disregard the COVID-19 protocols. A visit to this bus park and other public spaces in Montego Bay showed just that. People moving around with no masks. Others simply wear it under the chin. The practice is one that Dr. Delroy Frey bemoans. He noted that treating COVID-19 cases along with other services offered at the facility are putting a strain on staff.
My fear is that if this continues to rise, our team will we'll reach a fatigue level. And, we don't want to reach that stage. And the other question is, if the numbers continue to rise that requires hospitalization, that is beyond what we had catered for, it means that we have to make other contingencies.
Work has already started. 15 additional beds have been allocated to treat isolated cases should the need arise, but still another challenge.
But this will require staffing as well, which we have to be aggressively looking at. So every day what we have to look at the numbers and anticipate what is going to happen and make contingency in order to care for these people.
Dr. Frey reiterated the call for Jamaicans to play their part in limiting the spread of the virus.
It's always better to prevent something than to treat it. It's costly. It requires money, it requires drugs, it requires manpower. And if we are disciplined enough, we can minimize this thing and conquer it. I would like to get it back down to a very low level so we can look after the patients that requires our care in a timely manner.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.